Look at this image. It looks like a still straight from an animated movie. But here's the twist. This was created using 3 different AI models manually blended together and reshaped by hand. And the best part, once you build this final image, you can change anything, the lighting, the time of day, the background with just one prompt. If you have ever struggled with inconsistent characters or horrible upscales, this video is going to change everything. Let's start with the reality. AI can create beautiful images, but not always usable images. Midjourney gives you atmosphere and storytelling, but when it comes to details, eyebrows change, eyes shift, proportions suddenly don't proportion. And when you upscale the image, it gets even worse. This is why most authors and illustrators struggle when building consistent characters for children's books. So I started with this image straight from Midjourney. It's a great base, the mood is right, the character feels somewhat alive, and the environment is beautiful. But it's not sharp enough, and it's definitely not final. This is where most people stop. But we're not stopping, we're building something great. Next, I take the image into Openart and use their refined upscaler. This tool is powerful. It adds texture, lighting details, fabric patterns, and overall clarity. But here's the issue. It destroys your character's consistency. The face changes, the proportions shift, and the expression is never the same. So refined upscaling gives us beautiful details, but not the face we want. To fix this, I do something most people never think about. I generate a close-up version of the character using Nano Banana, which is Gemini Pro, and this gives us a clean, consistent face with the same expression, same features, and perfect clarity. And now we merge the best of both worlds. I open Photoshop and place the refined upscaled image at the bottom and the Gemini character layer on top. With a soft eraser, I gently remove just the background and keep the face, hair, and the important character features. I take my time blending the edges, making sure there is no visible boundary. This gives us a sharp background and a consistent character, something no single AI can currently do. This character is based on this character sheet. So before finalizing, I jump into Photoshop's Liquify tool and manually adjust the proportions. I make her head a little smaller, her neck shorter, and adjust the jawline. Just subtle changes, but they make her match the original design perfectly. This step is optional, but if you're making a children's book or a series, this level of consistency becomes gold. Moving on, now that the final image is perfect, you can use AI to change any part of the scene and instantly. Change nighttime to daytime, change lanterns to candles, change the window design, maybe add snow, or change the color palette. All of these using tools like Gemini Pro, aka Nano Banana, and the best thing is that it's also available inside Openart. Because everything is aligned and consistent, the AI edits follow the original structure perfectly. If you want to try out the refined upscaling and edit your images inside Openart, I have left a link in the description below. It's my go-to platform for the final polish and creating with the latest AI models. So here's what we did. Midjourney for the storytelling and base image, refined upscaler for sharper details, Gemini Pro or Nano Banana for consistent character close-ups, Photoshop for merging and manual adjustments, and AI edits for infinite scene variations. This is how you take an AI generated picture and turn it into a professional illustration with some AI but also a bit of manual work. If you want more workflows like this, especially for character consistency, make sure to subscribe. And if you need help creating a children's book, make sure you drop a comment or send me an email. Next week, I'll show you how to animate this same character using image to video models and keep the style 100% consistent. Don't miss it. Bye bye.